Question 28, factorise fully 12x minus 20y. So what we're aiming to do here is put this back into a bracket. So our final answer is going to have a bracket with a number in front of it. And whatever's in front of the bracket has to be common factors. So that is the key thing here. So common factors go in front of the bracket. So the first thing you do, I always encourage people to do a little grid around the actual expression. 12x is the first thing in the expression and minus 20y is the second thing. So we check both things in the expression for common factors. You check letters first. So is there a letter that's common to both boxes? No, there isn't. X isn't in both boxes. Y isn't in both boxes. Then you check the numbers. So 12 and 20. So you're looking for the highest common factor. So of course, 1 is a factor of 12 and 20. 2 is a factor of 12 and 20. But the highest common factor of both 12 and 20 is 4. So 4 is what we need to pull out in front of the grid. And in our final answer, that was what's going to go in front of the bracket. So common factors go in front of the grid on your working out and in front of the bracket on your final answer. Once you've checked both letters and numbers, you then go along the top of the grid and you see what's missing to make the thing that's inside the box. So we're trying to make 12x and we've already got 4 here. So it's almost like a multiplication grid. So 4 times by 3 would give us the 12, and you need also the x. So 4 times by 3x would give you 12x. And then how do you make the 20? Well, 4 times by 5 makes 20. So 4 times by negative 5 makes negative 20. And you're going to need the y on it. So whatever's in front of the grid goes in front of the bracket, and whatever's on top of the grid goes inside the bracket. And that's your final answer. So final answer, 4 in front of the bracket, that's the common factor, and then inside the bracket, 3x minus 5y.